Walgreens. Okay guys, we're looking for Squishmallows. And I see some. They have the Huggamees. What's this? This one. Oh, these are cool. Look guys, they have jelly beans. Guys, look, they have Disney mini brands at Walgreens for $7.99. I didn't know that. They have a fidget toy mystery box. That is so cool. And then they have poppets for $5.99. And they're in all different shapes. And they even have a duck. It's so cute. And they're only $5.99. That's a good price. So we are in like the toy section. So they have these like squishies. These egg chick squishies. which are super cute. We have 3D pop balls in different colors. And those are, oh, this one's cool. $7.99. And they have these little surprise eggs. Oh, there's stuff back here. Oh my gosh, guys, look. It's like a bunny squishy. And they have a yellow one too. Oh, they light up. Look, guys, they light up. You guys, look at this. It's a trolley with candy. These are kind of like the shopping carts that I got in my store, but it comes with candy and doesn't have the price. But they sell them here at Walgreens. They're so cute. They also have a Peeps plush gift set, so it comes with a Peeps bear and I was gonna say Squishmallows. Peeps. And look at these Peep cookies. That's cool. I wonder if I put in Mini Burns ball, would it come out of here? Should I get this and try it out?